several reasons for which we selected this particular theme, and one of the most important reasons was that we felt while selecting our theme that the other 13 themes were more or less well addressed in the national media as well as in the national scale. But at the moment, unorganized sector workers are not their plight is not particularly well expressed. Also, this was one of the areas where we had not actually studied or researched well ourselves. So it would be a good thing for us as well if we went into this area and looked into the actual cause.
All of us had very limited knowledge about what essentially constitutes the informal sector. But sensing this as a great opportunity to learn and increase our knowledge about it, we took up this topic and complain about that the government is inefficient, is not doing much for the people. But essentially after researching thoroughly, we got to know about various policies and plans that the government wants to implement, but they have not been efficiently implemented and able to reach to the people. And I hope that our plan gets implemented and is efficient and helps.
Part of the entire project was to collect data from various sources and analyze it and to present it in a concrete fashion. So this was possible only because of various coffee table discussions that we had over a period of time.
Gave us an opportunity to present solutions to the burning issues and have our voices heard in the 2014 elections. There were apprehension and suspense until the results were declared, and then after that we got into the top 3. It was a crazy.
Like getting votes, and at the end of the day we realized that we could interact with many whom we never knew. When it comes to coffee table discussion, we finally ended up having power cut at our institute. Then there was like when we were trying to upload a file which was oversize of 10 MB, we were getting it's not getting uploaded, and when it crossed 12:05, it was all in panicky mode, and finally it got uploaded by 12:10, and then there was sort of relief. Had a tasteful plate of Maggie, and believe me, that plate of Maggie tasted the best.